How to generate a cPanel backup and send it to FTP server. Log into your cPanel account and you will be on this page. Go to Files section and click Backup. Click the Download a Full Account Backup button. From the drop-down menu, select the backup destination, the remote FTP server. If you don't want to receive the notification of completion of the backup, click the Options button. Enter FTP IP address or FTP domain name such as ftp.example.com. Enter your FTP username and password. Enter port number 21 or another FTP port. Enter remote directory like /home/username/backup folder. Once you fill in the remote FTP details, click the Generate Backup button. That's it! We have successfully generated a backup and sent it to the FTP server. Thank you for watching.